What's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video and today we have the special live hands-on look of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Seeing this phone in renders was one thing, but in actuality it looks so damn cool. So this particular model is in purple color, and if you look at the display that is outside, it is color coordinated. So it is a 1-inch something OLED display to display time and notification and stuff like that. The LED flash and dual cameras can be seen as well. Then this guy opens up the beauty and oh my god, this actually is so cool. The display turns on. You can see we have slightly thicker bezels compared to a normal Samsung phone. Obviously, it's the border that is protecting this foldable display, and obviously it is the ultra thin glass with plastic in combination. The punch hole towards the middle is there, and just overall it's a very uniform design. If you look at the bezels, it's looking really good, and it's a really tall display. He once again closes the phone, and as soon as it shuts, you can see that the outer LED turns on, which again displays the time and the month and calendar information, and he turns around and there's pretty much nothing there. We can see a bit of reflection of him. This is a real video. You can see he's recording and it just looks so cool. Honestly, this is something that no other Samsung phone on the planet can do. It really is cool. Now, like I said, this is a phone with 2019 specs. It's not gonna have the Snapdragon 865 or the 108 megapixel camera that we're gonna see on the S20 Ultra, but still it is a super cool phone, and it can do something that neither of the Galaxy S20 family can do. After seeing this in live action, I can see why some people would be very interested to have this device despite the specs being a little bit old. It still is packing a lot of power. Snapdragon 855 Plus is an incredible chip. It should be able to handle pretty much anything you would throw at it. It is that good of a processor, and it's got the cameras of the Galaxy S10e, so again pretty much covered in all areas. It's not like lacking severely. It's definitely for the people who don't really care about specs that much and they want something really cool, something very different from a traditional smartphone. I would love to have this phone as a daily driver. It's looking really interesting. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this. Also, Samsung just broke the fourth wall by replying to Ice Universe. Yes, they replied to a tweet from Ice Universe. He did a poll on what people would choose in the S20 family, and pretty much Samsung just replied and said, we don't know what you're talking about. Obviously, they know what's up. They know everything, and they're definitely enjoying the leaks. All of this will be official on February 11th, live in San Francisco. Drop a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.